Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So here is the recommendation. Try to become Krishna conscious, and then you will not be disturbed with all these external, ephemeral changes of the material world. Not only of this body, practically one who is advanced in spiritual life, he is not agitated by the so-called political upheavals or social disturbances. No. He knows these are simply external, just like in the dream. It is also a dream. Our present existence, it is also dream. Exactly like we dream at night. In dreaming, we create so many things. So, this material world is also a gross dreaming. Gross dreaming, that is subtle dreaming, and this is gross dreaming. That is the action of the mind-body intelligence, dreaming. And here, the action of 5 material elements, earth, water, air, fire. But all of them, these 8, they are simply material. So we are thinking that I have now built a very nice house, skyscraper building. It is nothing but dream. Nothing but dream. Dream in this sense that as soon as I give up this body, all my skyscraper building, business, factory finished. Exactly the same dream. Dream is for few minutes or few hours. It is for few years, that's all. It is dream. So one should not be disturbed by this dreaming condition. That is spiritual life. One should not be disturbed, just like we are not disturbed. Suppose in dream I was put on the throne and I was working like a king, and after the dream is over, I am not sorry. Similarly, in dream I was seeing the tiger has attacked me. I was actually crying, here is tiger, save me. And the person who is lying behind me or beside me, he said, oh, why you are crying? Where is the tiger? So when he is awakened, he sees there is no tiger. So everything is like that. But these dreams, these gross and subtle dreams are simply reflection. Just like what is dream? The whole day what I think, the dreaming is a reflection. Reflection. My father was doing cloth business. So sometimes in dreaming he was quoting price. This is the price. So similarly, it is all dream. This material existence made of these 5 gross elements and 3 subtle elements, they are exactly like dream. Smara nittam anittatam. Therefore Chanakya Pandit says, Smara nittam anittatam. This anitta, temporary. Dreaming is always temporary. So we must know that whatever we possess, whatever we are seeing, these are all dream, temporary. Therefore, if we become engrossed with the temporary things, so-called socialism, nationalism, familism, or thisism, thatism, and waste our time without cultivating Krishna consciousness, then that is called samayeva hi kevalam, simply wasting our time, creating another body. Our own business is that we should know that I am not this dream, I am fact, spiritual fact. So I have got a different business. That is called spiritual life. That is spiritual life. When we understand that I am Brahma, I am not this matter, Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma, that time we shall be joyful, because we are afflicted with so many changes of the material features, and we are sorry and happy being afflicted by all these external activities. But when we understand rightly that I am not concerned with all these things, then we become joyful. I have no response. I have nothing to do with all these things. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.